All right, I'm barely 3 minutes and 15 seconds out of the house. All right, I'm heading west on Saginaw, and my only goal is to get a haircut. And I'm telling you all right now, 20% of everyone behind a wheel, whether it's a car, a pickup truck, a motorcycle, I don't care if it's a semi, a box truck, 20% of everyone in a vehicle, I don't know if they're demon possessed, they've been brainwashed into playing with their phone, but I'm telling you, right here it is. Every single day, 7 out of 10 days in a row, right there it is. This is exactly what happens. That car, it hit its brakes, and the yellow van almost took him out.